Oh, my pants are sticking to me.
There you go. Now look enthused. You gotta do something with your body because I can't see your face.
I was like, ah!
Yeah, throw your hands up or something.
Woo!
Yeah, well, your belly's showing. Tone it down just a little bit. Like, woo! Yeah, take longer, baby, please. It's like my knees are about to explode or anything.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh man, you're funny. All right, then we're gonna go have some Buck de Star, and we'll be right back. And we're back. Just had myself a ice green tea. This bird had a what was what you had?
Pink drink.
Pink drink.
It's literally what it's called, pink drink.
Man, they're getting creative with these names. A lot of hand.
My tummy's full of pink drink now.
That sounds like slang for something wrong. And then he filled me up with pink drink.
Filled me right up with pink drink.
Alright, so now we are headed out to Kyle Steele Parkway. I talked Miss Bird into spending a little bit more time on the bikes. And she fought me a little bit, but she can be persuaded.
Yeah, you know, I just want to take a nap.
Yeah, me too.
I like naps.
Alright, do you want me to lead or you want me to give you directions?
No, you can give me directions.
Okay. Well, go out by the chicken place once this car passes.
Alright.
Could you be going any slower?
Chicken, 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 what combo are you picking?
Alright, now since we're at a stoplight and there's no one behind us, you want to keep your eyes on your mirrors once you stop.
Okay.
If you see a car hauling ass up on you, you jump into that left side, I'll jump to the right side.
Okay.
That's why you always stay in gear until that car behind you is stopped.
Cool. Hey, go away.
Is this your first traffic light?
Yeah.
Awesome. Someone had beans for lunch.
Should I get in the left lane?
Now you can turn from this lane. Slow it down a bit. Slow it down. Ooh, stay in your lane, baby.
Sorry.
Blinker's still on. Came in a little hot there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I kept saying slow it down, slow it down. Yeah, you don't want to be cutting lanes like that for sure. See, this is a good road to kind of practice on because there's not a ton of traffic, but yet you still get the stoplights and the multiple lanes and gear changes and things like that. You come up on a car like this, watch the wheels.
Okay.
The wheels are going to tell you if the car is moving or not. It's a lot easier to tell if the car is moving by looking at the wheels than looking at like the bumper or something like that. You can slow it down a little bit. You're going pretty much top of the speed limit, so if you're uncomfortable at all, you can slow it down a little bit. We've got no one behind us. There's 2 lanes so they can go around.
Okay.
Alright, there's no one behind us, so go ahead and grab that left lane. Reason being, that gets you in the middle of the lane, so you're better visible and you got more time to react to anything coming from the sides. Also, there's a bunch of bumps in that right lane that are quite dangerous. How are you feeling?
Okay.
A little bit better?
Just okay.
Okay. What gear are you in, by the way?
I don't know.
Sounds like you're revving high.
4. Good.
Okay. A little bit of a different world out here, right? Outside the neighborhood?
Yeah. I'll tell you, I've never paid more attention to traffic signs in my life.
Well, maybe this is a good thing for you then.
Yeah. I'm like, 35? Okay. Turn? Okay. S-curve? Okay.
How are you on gas?
I'm almost full.
Okay. Now, if you see a black Porsche, those are usually okay. If you see a yellow Porsche, those are the really dangerous ones, and you definitely don't want to cross a double yellow line when those are around.
Why?
It's just trust me. Just listen to me.
Okay. We're going left?
Yes.
good?
Well, you tell me, you're leading.
Sorry, I'm a little far back.
Yeah. Yeah, you are. Plan on turning sometime soon, or...
Oops.
Oh, there it is.
God, I wish you could see my face right now.
I wish I could too. That'd be great content.
I became like self-aware because I'm like, how much I'm concentrating. My jaw is like hanging open and my eyes are just like dead center of the road. Like if you took my helmet off, people would be like, so what you're doing is really brave, sir, you know, taking care of this girl for the rest of your life.
Is that something I have to vow to do, is to take care of you? I don't know if I'm okay with that. I didn't know that was in the contract.
I mean, oh look, stop sign up ahead.
Good job, baby. Way to stay aware.
Remain aware.
Remain aware.
Going straight, buddy? Me too.
You need to focus on putting your brakes on when you're slowing down. You're slowing down with your gears, which is fine.
Yeah.
But you still want to reach up and just, at least on your front brake, just activate the sensor. That way your brake lights light up. Because if no one's paying attention to where you're actually at and your brake lights don't come on, you're liable to get rear-ended.
Okay.
Especially with other motorcycles.
Remind me when we get home, to do an impression of myself.
Is that
on
still
the
an
motorcycle.
impression if it's of yourself?
Well,
yes.
a replay.
I don't think it's called an impression. I'm pretty sure it's called an impersonation.
An impersonation. Oh, pink drink.
Really?
I'm sorry.
That's right in my ear. That's right in the entire audience's ear. Say you're sorry again.
I'm sorry.
There you go. You slowed down and didn't touch your brakes.
Oh, you're right. Like that? Did you see my brake light?
Nope. There
Like
it
that?
goes. Yep. Right before this next stop sign, pull off to the side of the road if you can.
Right before the next stop sign, pull off the side of the road.
Yep, just at the end of this curve. If you can. I mean, if there's gravel and a drop-off, don't worry about it. But we've got quite a bit of a line behind us, so
Oh, okay.
I'll try to let them by. Yeah, looks like we got room. So go ahead and put your blinker on. Just let them pass. You got 3 cars. After this maroon truck, you can go. Go ahead.
I died. Sorry. I got too much pressure.
Good job. Except your blinker's still on.
Just push the damn button.
Take a left. It's a 3-way stop, so you don't gotta check.
You're good? Oh,
Yep.
shit. I died. What?
Just waiting on you.
Sorry.
Also, your blinker's on.
Damn it.
Come on, babe. You're not getting any better at that.
I feel like I'm alright. I mean, you know what I'm good at is remembering to turn it on a lot of times.
That's true, but
So that's good. It's just the turning it off. Because, you know, for a while it was hard for me to even know where it was.
that's true, I guess.
Baby steps, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm working on it. Ah, butterfly. Oh, this goes to the right. Man, you know...
Slowing down. Slowing way down.
Oh,
Brake
I
light
thought
still
you...
has not come on.
I thought you told me to slow down.
Either way, your brake light never came on.
Oh. You said slow down twice, that's all I heard. I was like, slow down, slow down.
Are you pressing on your rear brake?
No,
Okay, you're just slowing down with the gears.
I guess. I'm just... There's a lot going on right now, you know? It's like real up and down and twisty all over the place.
Can you believe that they painted these antique train cars?
No.
Yeah, exactly. I was like, what the hell is wrong with you?
They look like trailers. Gray forest. My thumb feels weird.
Why?
I don't know, I think just because it's vibrating a lot.
Guess I know I'm doing my job then.
You know, we should try to eat at that restaurant before we move out of the area, just because it's way out here, you know?
Yeah.
You've never been there, right?
Nope. I'll put it on my to-do list.
Bumpy little road. it was shaking a belch out of me, and man, you are just all over the place.
Oh, get bored back here, so.
Well, what do you, I can't speed.
Okay.
Oh, sign. Go straight.
Yep.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag?
Nope.
Do you see the bag?
Plastic bags are inanimate objects, they don't have feelings. Don't be ridiculous.
Don't be ridiculous. Is it still 30 here?
Nope, it's 40.
Oh. I missed a sign!
Damn it.
There wasn't a sign to warn me about what this road was gonna do, and I don't appreciate that gray forest.
You got eyes, don't you?
I mean, yeah, but signs are nice.
I'm trying to think of how we can get back into town without taking any busy roads. Not this left, but the next one. Go ahead and take a left. We'll dip into this neighborhood and kind of weave our way back through. This one right here. This one right here.
Oh.
This one right here.
Oh, shit. Sorry. I gotta go up this big hill?
It's fine, baby.
It's not a big hill, it's just a little thing. It's a tiny little ant hill. And I'm a little ant.
There's also a stop sign at the top of it, so. Go straight. Yeah, straight.
Straight. Jesu Christe. That's Jesus Christ in Latin.
In Latin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wide turn. Sorry,
You're
sorry,
late,
sorry.
Baby. Take a left at this stop sign. Oh, there's a cemetery right there. Cool.
Oh, shit.
Up.
Okay. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Right foot on the brake.
Yep. Okay. Get situated here.
Okay, right foot on the brake.
Give me a second.
You need some assistance?
I'm having a hard time reaching. Oh, I killed it. Oh my god. Like, I know that was probably funny, but it really wasn't for me.
Well, you're good. And you remember to turn your blinker off. How the hell do you remember to turn your blinker off after that?
Oh,
no. You're good. You're good. Take a deep breath. You're good. Don't get flustered.
Look at me trying. Well, good news. I calmed down because I can feel my thumb hurting again.
Well, there you go.
So it's coming to a T up here.
Yeah, we're going right back to where we were. Damn it. Rafter S. Yeah, take a right.
Look, there's a house for sale right here. Let's just do that.
Yeah, slow down and let's turn around right here.
Turn around?
Yeah.
Hold on, I'm just gonna stop real quick because...
Oh, you've gone too far now.
Well, I had no idea we were gonna turn right there. You wanna go down the hill?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay. Coming. Oh shit, maybe.
Did you kill your bike again?
Yeah. Coming. Am I gonna follow you now, or do you want me to get back up?
Yeah, just follow me.
Okay.
I guess the hell home. Watch the gravel right here.
Okay.
Still having a problem with shifting?
A little bit.
What are you not having to, like, what do you...
I don't know.
What do you need help with? Alright. This one isn't nearly as bad as the other one, so I think you'll be alright.
Alright.
This house over here is a castle. It's so awesome.
I know where we are.
I want it. Yeah, this is where you almost ate it right just a second ago.
Yeah.
We just made a big giant circle because I'm an idiot and I want to go home and I can't figure out how to get home without using roads.
Just go out and to the road. I mean,
well, I got one more try.
I'll figure it out.
I think we need to go straight first.
Okay.
Keep a watch out behind us.
Okay.
Oh, that's why we're not doing it, because it's not possible.
Oh.
So you have two choices.
Okay.
You can either hit Bandera and go home via Bandera, or go back up the hill and go back the way we came.
Just go to Bandera.
Okay, we're taking a left. Actually, I'm probably going to take us straight through and go that way.
Okay, go straight?
Yeah, we're going to go straight through, and then we can come down Braun. Braun will be a lot less busy than that over there.
Okay, and take the access?
Yep. We need to take the access or come down and go through that neighborhood with all the stop signs. Are you in 5th gear?
No.
Get up into 5th gear.
Alright.
Are you letting off the throttle before you pull your clutch in?
No.
Why not?
I don't know. I forgot.
That's what your problem is. You gotta be letting off your throttle before you pull the clutch in.
That was much better.
God. I was literally listening to the RPMs. I'm like, what the hell is she doing?
Yeah, that was much better.
Well, there you go.
Oh, yeah.
That's what it was.
That's what it was.
Damn, girl. Alright, let's go straight through these lights. Let's take the back way.
Okay.
That access road is sketchy.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
Now, what are you doing?
Who, me?
Yep.
I'm gonna go straight.
No, what are you doing right now?
I'm watching behind me.
There you go. Good job.
Shit.
Good job, boo. Way to get it restarted and going. Watch that truck.
I'm watching it.
You got it restarted quick. We didn't get honked at.
Sorry.
Yeah, I was waving and I was like, sorry.
I would wave my hand, sorry, but I'm too.
No, don't worry about it. I should have worn a sign on my back.
No, I should wear one on the back.
Student rider.
Yes, student
with an
rider.
arrow to the left.
Like, I really should have one, student rider. That way people understand that I'm not. Well, I am retarded.
True.
Is it a left here?
Nope.
Okay, straight.
Yep. Watch that expedition. You don't want to get up in his blind spot like you just did.
Oh, with that car?
Yeah.
Okay.
Until he didn't put a blinker on, so it's kind of on him. But you didn't know if he was turning right or if he was being a jackass and about to cut across 3 lanes to go left.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
You'd have been wiped out.
I did see him slow down, and I was kind of like trying to watch what he was doing.
Hey, is that the Fast and the Furious car? I wonder if you know. Damn. What a waste of $5,000. Alright, at this light, slow it down, take a left.
No.
Good job. Yeah. Big man on the block.
What the hell was that? Was that a freaking train horn?
That was a train horn on his little dick truck.
Remember, this is that neighborhood that we got duped with those Girl Scout cookies that first time, where the girl was on the side of the road. Well, not duped. That was at HEB, I know. But remember, she was. It wasn't Braun Station?
It was not Braun Station.
I thought for sure it was Braun Station.
Nope. That was in the neighborhood in between here and the corner.
Oh.
Run right there by the Little Caesars.
Yeah. Do I need to get in that lane?
Nope, you can go straight from here.
Okay. Cool beans.
banana noises?
What?
Are you making banana noises?
What's a banana noise?
It's that sound that you make when you eat a banana.
Oh. Ah, no!
Fine.
Watching the wheels.
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright guys, well that's going to do it for today's episode. Sorry it was a little uneventful here and there, but that's what it's like.
Uneventful?
Well, from what they're used to seeing, I guess. In comparison. So
I just want to say something. I know I got super frustrated at that downhill left turn. I was super pissed about it, but I just want to say that in my mind, the entire time, all I was thinking about was that clip of Brad going down, like, this much. I was like, God damn it.
Wow, I'm so glad that is what you're most worried about. Alright guys, well if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and... Did you kill your bike again?
Yeah.
Oh my god. If you haven't already, go ahead and punch that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.